Kelson, big victory here at Joe's for Arnett Gardens. Can you tell us through the game?
Yeah, I think we started the game well. In the first half, we created a lot of chances. I got the first goal. I think throughout the game we lose focus in certain areas where we concede some silly goals, and that been a problem from the season start. But the thing is, we just have to keep scoring, and I think we did that very well. We got 5 goals today. So yeah.
Your performance is improving significantly. What is the contribution factor to that?
I'm just trying to stay focused, honestly. Work on my fitness, work on my recovery. I realized in the past few seasons, I always pick up some injuries, which caused me to miss games. So that's another main thing for me this season. Is just keep my body well and come out and perform.
The partnership between you and Jaime is coming back. How important would that be for the continuation of these victories for Arnett Gardens?
Yeah, I think we come to the ranks of Arnett Garden. We always have that connection where it's always help the team. So it's always good when me and him dep our game. So Arnett always get the victory when me and him dep on the game, honestly.
Expectations for Arnett this season, and also your personal expectations.
Arnett expectation over there is always to win the league, honestly. Anything less than that is always considered a failure. Personally for me, I just want to win, honestly. Goals, I just want to score as many goals as I can to help the team. It's all about the team at this point.
The team didn't start the season well. How much pressure was on the team this afternoon to get a win?
It was so extreme because Arnett Garden is a pressured club. The community base is so the standard is so high for Arnett Garden. So coming out today, we know what's at stake and how important this game would be. So we're just glad we can ease a certain pressure from the fans and even ourselves.
And how important do you think it is for you to win the next game?
I think this game is a good thing to build on for the next game. We got 5 goals, so we just got to keep on scoring in order to get the victory in the next game.
All right, Kelson. Congrats and keep on the good work. Yeah?
Thank you.